Good morning, everyone. Hey, everybody. Welcome, beautiful morning. How's everybody doing? David, welcome, good morning. How are you? Well, seems like we just started out the good old London session. Kill zone, actually. The London session is not open yet. Marcos, good morning. Good to see you. All right. So, what is happening? I spotted a nice long opportunity on gold, but I didn't take it because I was having technical issues, but I wish I would have taken this long on gold. I like it very much. Should be breaking higher. Anyway, as for Nasdaq, wow. Kenny, good morning. Slim Trady, good to see you again. How are you guys? So, this Nasdaq, right? What a move yesterday. I mean, the whole PM session, well, almost. What was this? This move was like, oh, nice. Almost 300 points in the PM session. Who would have thought that after making new highs, we're still going to move 300 points? Anyway. What's next, right? Previous day high, which is all-time high, is up there. 272. I don't know where to go from above that point. But, you know, if I check on the 15-minute chart, not much is happening. Everything has been repriced. There is a low. Actually, this is Asia low right there. Let me just put a line there. Okay. This would be Asia low. Okay. How far is that? 30 points, something like that. Just poked into this high. So nothing special. Gold might be edging a little bit higher. As for ES, same thing. We have we have an Asia low here on ES. But let's go back to Nasdaq. So on the 5-minute, the only target is the Asia low. Otherwise, if you look to the 1 hour, and you look to the left to yesterday, well, somewhere around the market open before that, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is here technically a bullish order block right here. Shifted higher. Beautiful push. I would say that because this is on the 1 hour, this would be quite a strong level as a magnet. I'm not saying we're going to go here in the next hour, but it's a possibility that price may revisit this level. So, you know, just so we not forget it, I'm going to put a line there, and I'm going to name it bullish order block 1 hour. I'm gonna put it to the top here. We have the 20k line. What was the high of this? The open 80.75. all right, let's set it to 80.75. so that's where it starts. So could be interesting. Could be interesting. Let's go down to the 5-minute. Poked into these highs. Gold is going down. Oh, it may be a good thing I did not take that trade. Okay. Gold is going lower. We have equal lows. Let me delete this since I did not take it. We have relative equal lows. Oh, not too perfect, but almost. If it would start to go lower, then how far can it go? Who knows, right? This is a bearish order block, by the way, on gold. So we are sitting inside of a bearish order block. The question, is it going to take it out? Is it going to go higher? I think it will. But it's still a mystery. You're in short on gold. Looking for equal lows. Nice. All right. Yeah, so these levels quite interesting. The only thing, if I zoom it out a little bit, if we are standing next to the statement that ICT said, like, even one tick can change the algorithm, then we could say that this candle at 1:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1:10, did actually poked lower than this swing low. So it did sweep a little bit of liquidity, but maybe it just wasn't enough. VWAP is rejecting it, so might be going lower here. But if it goes lower, I don't see any special target. The only thing I see is on the 15-minute, there's a small gap and there's a liquidity void lower, but otherwise nothing. As for the Nasdaq, we have the same thing. I mean, I like this one to go lower, definitely. Reprice some of this area down there. That would be awesome. And if I go to the 1 hour, and I'm gonna put a FIB tool just to measure the distance here. %50 level is there. 20,088. That would be the mid-level or consequent encroachment. So I'm gonna give a different color to this one. All right. So we have our levels here on Nasdaq. Gold is down there, should be sweeping the lows. I mean, it did go down, optimal entry for a possible long, but it's just, you know, shifting lower. I don't know if it really wants to go or not. Does look interesting, that's for sure. All right. Otherwise, I'm still going to be watching the Nasdaq, but yeah. And by the way, we are definitely on the September contract now, so make sure to have it on. Still watching this gold just to see what it wants to do. Maybe there could be some movement. We have no news this morning, right? In London. Yeah, nothing. G7 meetings all day. And what else? Core retail sales. Yeah. Maybe. So pretty much a quiet London session. I don't expect that kind of movement we had yesterday, because I mean, yesterday was clean. Now we're just gonna consolidate, I think so, especially because of news coming up. So I really don't expect anything. I took a long position on gold, by the way. Maybe I shouldn't have, but I'm only risking like 100 or 110 bucks on this one. So let me see, what's the risk to reward? Okay. Maybe I should not have taken it because of these equal lows, but I took it only on evaluation account. Seems like it was a bad idea. Nevertheless, let's return to NQ. So NQ did go into this liquidity level, but let's just wait and see. Nothing to be seen on the 5 or the 15 minutes, so yeah. Also on ES, nothing. This is pretty much it. This is all the movement we get. And gold is taking me out from my position. That's fine. Otherwise, nothing. I don't even know how I'm still in this gold trade or why I took it. I know I know why I took it, but by the way, I did make a stats tab for the stream. I updated it as much as I could from those trades that I took on stream. It's actually not that bad. I mean, yesterday was definitely a big helper in the results for the month. Francis, hey, hello, hello there. Wolfpack, Nikos, hey there, good morning. Everything's cool, everything's quiet. I was eyeballing with gold. I took a small long position, but it's gonna take me out, but nothing special. Otherwise, everything's fine. After yesterday's NQ rally, it's hard to say what's gonna happen. Most likely some consolidation this session. I highly doubt that we're gonna see that kind of clean moves in this session as we saw it yesterday, but we'll see. We shall see. So I'm in a gold trade on another account. It's gonna be the gold account. I dedicated that account to gold at Buleanox with micros, of course, as usual. And I still don't know how I'm in this trade, but I should be taken out soon. Entered a little bit late. Can I show it? Hold on. I thought you guys... Hold on a second. I might have to open a chart for that. MGC. Not Apex. With Buleanox, there you go. And let's go to the 5-minute chart. This is my trade. So I'm pretty much likely I'm gonna get out from this with a stop loss. Entered a little bit late on this gap, so that's what happened. What can I do? Most likely I'm gonna get out from this one soon. Only a slight little loss here. And as we wait, we can see Nasdaq edging higher a little bit. NQM old one, NQU current one, yes, has different price. NQM still didn't reach 20k level. Yeah, I don't know how long is NQM is gonna be. I think until Wednesday or something. I don't think it's gonna reach that. Now, good morning. All still has some nice buy side liquidity to take. All right, that's actually bullish. So that's good. It's kind of good. So as you guys can see, we have nothing going on Nasdaq. Absolutely nothing. Zero, nada, Nishta. Absolute no. No, no, no. Nothing with Nasdaq. It's dead. That's why I was eyeballing with gold. So I took this small trade, small position. Visual trading trades. Okay, yeah, we're still in. So I'm not saying it's a good position. It's not an A+ position, that's for sure, on gold. The only thing that drives me to be bullish on gold is that we are in a bearish order block here. And I think this bearish order block should be broken. Now, price went up there, tried to break it during the Asia session, didn't succeed, then went lower, swept a little bit of liquidity. Might be one more chance for it to break that, or it's just going to go much lower. But still, I'm going to keep an eye on this order block, because overall, in the big picture, like on the daily, weekly time frame, I'm definitely bullish on gold. So we could see another chance to go for that, to break it. And that's all. That's all my analysis with that. Yeah, till NQM total expires, we trade it carefully. Yeah, very slow market. Yeah, very slow. I think the big moves DM happened yesterday, so today should be consolidation, especially after yesterday. So I really don't expect anything. Tomorrow gonna be a US holiday, so I will be streaming, that's for sure. But we might be focusing more on London session, and maybe, I don't know, but I will be here. So this week is gonna be a little bit slow. It could be a little bit slow. Yesterday, Monday, was a quiet day. Massive rally. yeah, Joey. It was a massive rally. Well, you know, we did see rallies and dumps for more than 200-300 points many times, but I really did not expect that in the PM session, after breaking the historical high, we're still going to see Nasdaq pushing higher, at least 200, almost 300 points. I really wasn't expecting that. I thought that that's it. But eventually there was a nice sell-off before at the power hour. How big was it? 260 to, I say, 100 points, a healthy 100 points here in power hour. So that was good. That was okay. Sean, hey there. NQ breaking out right now. Exactly. 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 So if this 5-minute candle would stay like this and leave a gap, we could target some highs, but where could be a draw on liquidity? We have an order block on the 15-minute. Look at that. Not an A++1, but it's an order block. So it can go if it wants to. Oh, CJ Mac, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. Füredi Zoltán. Szervusz. Észre se vettem, basszus. Magyarul írtak. Hungarian fellow trader here. Üdvözöllek. Voltál már? Nem is láttalak. Welcome. Yes, igen. A DEX-el valóban. Sajnos nem mindegyik prop firmnél elérhető, csak az Apexnél. Let's see what's happening. Pay the trader. Yeah, I'm still on gold, but it's gonna take me out. Let me show you my gold trade. I'm only risking a small portion with gold. I'm risking like $100 or 110, something like that. And this account, this account is a Buleanox account, only an evaluation. And you guys know that I don't trade gold, right? So I don't trade it. I traded it last time a year ago. So I dedicated a separate evaluation account for gold just to measure my stats and see what goes on. Entries only on the 5-minute or higher. So I saw this, I thought we're gonna go. My entry is a little bit late here, by the way, but who cares? So yes, I'm still in this one. We'll see. I mean, I think this year I traded gold like 2 times, maybe 3. Not more. 2 or 3 times. Oh, by the way, guys, we have a giveaway for 50K evaluation account. Try to do 1 giveaway every week. So if you're interested, it's in the pinned message in the chat. Go for it. Fill out the form and email. You can earn some points if you wanted. This is an online application made for giveaways. You can earn some points, increase your chances to win. So go for it. Super simple. We're gonna pick the winner live on stream. If you're not here, don't worry. The winner gonna be tweeted out, and I'm gonna send an email. All right. Online safety. Hey, interesting gold trade. Oh yeah, it is. It is definitely. That's why I said. I mean, last time I actively traded gold was at least a year ago or more. 23, I think it was March or April when I actively traded gold last time. But since the past 1 year, I know that this year I made like 2 or 3 gold trades. So I put this on a different account just to see what it feels like. NQ repricing immediately this gap. So swept some liquidity, might be above these highs. Might be going for the Asia lows. No entry. Also, everyone, if you can please help out the stream, push the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. It's free to do. Let's make this channel a little bit bigger. Thank you, guys. When I switched to futures from Forex, I used to trade 20 plus pairs. I traded NQ as a wow. So I switched to only NQ. Past, I would not believe. I would focus on only one. Oh yeah. So that's why me trading gold is just, I don't even know. And I also say the same, like if you focus on one market, that's more than enough. I mean, I think some of the, I mean, I know there are traders who are focusing on 20 markets and they're making money. Yes, that's true. But I think even amongst the pro traders, the majority of them are focusing on only one single market. One single market, maybe two, but just one. One market, and that's it. And guys, I know there are traders who are entering trades every 10 minutes and 20 minutes because we all love the action, right? But that is just straightforward way to disaster. So the other day somebody asked me, are you the guy who just talking for 2 hours and not taking any trades? And I said, yeah, I'm the guy. I'm that kind of guy who just talks for 2 hours without any trades taken. So, but I know there are traders who are taking 20 trades in 1 hour or 2 hours and they're making profit. That's why this whole trading is just so different for everyone. But I do think that the markets are timed, and I do believe that this phrase kill zone is not for nothing. So if we focus on a specific time frame, a specific time, and of course a specific time frame as well, but then you should be able to find your setup during those times. And you just have to wait. Sitting and not trading is preservation of mental and trading capital. Exactly, Francis. So sitting and waiting, focusing is just, I think that's the most important, because pushing the button is easy. That's super easy to just, you know, anticipate something which is not even there many times. You just say, oh, it's gonna go there, and boom, you know, Cosmo, hey there. No risk, no reward. Yeah, that's true. UX Talks podcast. Hey there. We are what are we waiting for again? Sorry, just join. We're just waiting for a setup. That's it. Waiting for a proper trade setup, because I mean, you guys might be having something, but I don't have any trade setup. Risk it for the biscuit. Yeah. So you guys might be having some setup. I decided to leave the 1 minute time frame after I lost actually 3 funded accounts in the past 1 month. 5 weeks actually. In the past 5 weeks, I lost 3 funded accounts. I left with 4, and I just can't lose more. I just can't. And the majority of my losses came from taking trades on the 1 minute chart. I just can't. I can't risk more on the 1 minute. I have to acknowledge that. I just I can't force myself to trade on the 1 minute. Whitewater Joe, good morning. Good to see you. So this is how it goes. Oh, Jesus, what was that? Oh yeah, that was a YouTube video, sorry. Good luck, everybody. Good luck to you too. Good luck to you too. Ginzo, 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute is even safer. Unfortunately, there is nothing happening on the 15 minute to be seen. There's a buy side, which I like, at 218. I'm going to put the line there to 218 as buy side liquidity. I do like that level as a possible target. So yeah. For real, we have Naz in the house. Welcome. And fibers guarantee money if you wait for something like SM Microsover. Yeah, there you go. Exactly. Tom, consider playing some Hungarian classical music on a very low volume in the background. I know. I don't want to. I don't want. You guys are gonna run away so fast. Classical Hungarian music. That would be. You guys would be running away. All right. Classical music could be nice. I don't think you will get copyrighted, bro. Yeah. I mean, there are classic music, like the classic music, like Beethoven, you know, and stuff like that, like some classic orchestra music that we can listen. I can put in some, there's some copyright-free smooth jazz, you know, that we can play. The problem is I keep receiving like messages from YouTube like almost every week, almost every 3 days, that, you know, streams that I was streaming like a year ago and playing copyright-free music, and all of a sudden the creator made some changes and now it's in my stream, and so YouTube letting me know that, anyway, copyright free music is not all just copyright free all the time. NQ is building up nice equity. Yeah, London Open pushes and takes high of day. Could be. I mean, it's not that big a deal, obviously, because most of these copyright things are not actually hard breaches, as we say. But, you know, in some cases, I just have to mute my video or cut out the segment or something. So I said, all right, I'm not doing that anymore. I can still listen music right like I do right now in my earplug, but this gold trade of mine is gonna go down, unfortunately. So, by the way, we were talking about it yesterday with some of you guys to do a stream stat page or a tab or something that displays how the stream trades are doing, the ones that we are taking on the stream. So I was a little bit behind. I'm making a separate Google sheet, which is going to be in the description. It's not there right now because I still have to update some of it, because I have to rewatch some of the streams. But as far as I have updated it for this month, we had a good stat, somewhat. And so in that Google sheet, which is going to be available for anyone to check, I can display the stats for the stream. So let me know what you guys think. This is not the final version. I'm going to put it out so you guys can see it. There's a background for that right there. And I managed to pull together the stats from the streams. And what if I put it there like this? So let me know what you think, because some of you guys were asking about it. I got taken out from my gold trade. So some of you guys were asking about it, and I don't know if it's something that I should put out. Actually, this is not even valid anymore because the gold trade just gave me one more loss. The break-even trades, I I mean, I put there the risk to reward because I usually go for higher than 1.5. Even if I take partials, I take partials right before the 2-point risk to reward. But yes, yeah, that's what I want to do. That's why I said, like, this is, I mean, I cannot confirm this yet to you guys, because obviously we need something more for this to be more valid, because now you can just say I'm throwing out some numbers there. So there will be a Google Sheet in the description, and you guys can look into that, and that will be only the trades taken on stream. Now the win-loss ratio, this right now it says 63%. I'm not counting the break-even, because break-even is like it's never happened. I know we're talking about break-even is actually winning the trade, but in this case, if I only count the winners and the losses, I'm adding those together, and that's how I'm calculating the win ratio. So let me know what should I do or what should I not. But anyway, yeah. I'm gonna do something like that. I'm working on it. I just wanted to make sure that these were on the stream, but I must say that from this 19 winners, 3 of these winners came yesterday. So this month is not that. And actually now I have one more loss, so I have to update it. So I have to update losses. Now is 12. So hold on. And if I calculate, that's only 61% ratio. That's a 61% win ratio with the gold loss right now. Yeah, of course. That could be a possibility. So anyway, that's why I was... So this is something that we can leave. So now I took one loss on gold, took me out, and that's it. The funny thing is that I don't trade gold. Anyway, Daniel, hey there. FX and Trophy, good morning. Yeah. So marketing reasons, it's also good. Maybe it's bringing more attention for some people who likes to follow streams and trades on stream. Who knows? Anyway, I was a salesperson. Yeah, online safety. So so let's see. I'm gonna have the Excel sheet linked maybe for the New York session. It's almost ready actually. It's dated and it will be simple, easy to follow. And I might put it to a website as well. All right, let's see. So if I'm still looking at gold, since we dived into that, I'm not going to change anything here. I would still like to see the order block being broken, but otherwise nothing. Oh, hold on. All right. Keep talking, sir. I kept talking. Jason, how are you? NQ shorts coming. Could be. Could be. Could be. So I'm gonna wait on gold for now. It just took me out with slightly. My stop was just triggered. Let me show you. Right here. So I got stopped out right here. Maybe I should have put my stop a little bit lower, but still, I think it's gonna go down. And what else? But if it goes down, it's fine. We do have, I mean, on gold, in my opinion, we do have a fair value gap on the 1 hour, and this is actually an order block if you look to the left. So I'm not biased for the day or anything. If we see some clear movement to the downside, look at here. That's an order block. So I'm gonna put a marker right here on the 1 hour that this could be a possible target, right? So let's just wait and see. I'm gonna go back to the 5-minute and wait for gold, what it wants to do. And that's it. That's the schedule right now. Wait for gold to go down 5 points. After that, expect a bullish market maker. Yeah, could be. Oh, nice. Cosmo. Come on. Nice. You know, we can, you know, it just depends on what font size are you using. But that's it. So anyway, right now this is all we're looking at. We have London Open in about 10 minutes, so that might give some kind of a kick in the volume. Look, 15 minute at gold. I mean, relative equal lows might be going lower. No market structure shift. I mean, a little bit, not that clear. Could be a sell model, but I'm still not forgetting that this is a bullish, I'm sorry, bearish 1 hour order block. On the 15 minute, there is nothing special to see right now, at least not for me. Maybe I'm not seeing anything, but you know, zoom out. I'm zooming out. I'm zooming. Took out the highs, went lower, shifted structure. This is an order block, by the way. 15 minutes / 1 hour order block. Price went back, probably to take out the order block. Now it tries to go down again. Maybe sweeping some lows here, and then try once more. That's what we don't know. We don't have any displacement or anything. Yeah, the next liquidity injection is London Open, yeah. So Tom, I decided going to just focus on getting funded and working 150k. Nice, staying away from overtrading. Yeah, be careful with Asia session, Naz. I think that could be a little bit slow, and you know, I could be if I would be trading Asia session, I don't think I would have the patience to sit through those trades or those kind of movements. Like Nasdaq moves, many cases only like 5 points or 10 points maybe. Sometimes same goes for gold. As much as I studied it, entered on NQ short. Nice. Good luck, DM. That what I took my sell entry on gold based on order block and market structure shift. Nice. So yeah, this is an order block and the market structure shift. So even if I put a fib tool here, I mean, we're still almost at the optimal trade entry level. I could be saying like, all right, you know, let's risk it and, you know, let's go try to take out. The risk to reward is still good. Obviously, it would have been better if I enter a little bit higher, like at the optimal trade entry. But that's a 15-minute entry, and who knows? Also, one thing I'm trying to implement as a rule is that I try to focus on one time frame for entry. So one entry time frame, not 3 entry time frame, because if I enter on the 1 minute or the 5 and the 15, there's going to be 3 times the risk because there could be contradicting signals. You know, 1 minute definitely looks different than the 15-minute trend inside of a trend. I can't seem to pass TOPSTEP accounts. I've been trying for a month now. What is going on, Cosmo? Yeah, Apex and Buleanox is easier. I think it's because the daily loss limit. You might need to use more of that buffer to trade, I'm guessing. And maybe, I guess, sometimes the daily loss limit holds you back. Who knows? I don't know how you trade, Cosmo, but maybe I'm guessing that you get stopped out and eventually your trade went to the target. It must have happened. And anyway. Anyway. Let's see what goes on. Jason is short on NQ as well. It happened yesterday. I got stopped out. Oh, yeah. Nasdaq really humbles you in the end if you let it. Oh yeah. It does. It does. So gold went lower a little bit. Still waiting. No entry. Slim Trady, thank you for dropping by. And have an awesome day. Hope to see you soon. You're looking for 204. 205. Okay. Yeah, that's possible. If you look to the left on the 5-minute, I don't know if it's there on the mini. Almost. On the micro, there's an unbalanced price range from 202 to 204.50, which means Nasdaq can spike up there, maybe reprice it and then go down. We don't know, but something that we have to take care of. Definitely consolidation, yeah. Look at this. NQ is heading higher. The thing is, if you look at it a little bit closer, there was a continuation, but you know, there was a structure shift here. I'm gonna show you. I might have missed the move, but I was considering it. But visual order, let's bring to front. So there was a bullish market structure shift as a continuation here, and there was a fair value gap down there here, and look at it. It acted as support, and if I consider this as a possible entry, I did not take it. Maybe I should have, I don't know. You know, with a stop here, a 1 to 2 risk to reward would be up there, just taking out those highs. So, I mean, it's definitely a risky one. I'm just saying that it could have been a possible entry, but it was not an A+ entry. It definitely was not. What is the crime? Front running the open. Yeah, could be. Maybe a rock pool. That's possible. Yes, that's possible. And also, I mean, look at that 93. Yeah, so the range is very tight here. That's why I would say this is a super risky trade. But you know, we don't know that. I might even eager to take it if it spikes down back to 93.25, but I think it's just going to go higher. Yeah, look at it. So technically this was this gap acted as a nice support here, and now it's just sending price higher. Of course, we have the market open right now, but you know, oh, really? Niceness. Gamecraft says, I'm going in. John, morning. Morning, John MC. Good to see you. 5-minute bullish propulsion block. All right. Yeah. Your short got stopped down. Oh. Pablo, good morning. Good to see you, Pablo. So, anyway, out 204. Ooh, right at the top. Nice. Ginzo, 15 points. Nice. Good morning, Alicia. Good to see you. How's it going? Welcome, everybody. Please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, we have a giveaway in the pinned message. You can fill it out. I'll try to do one every week. I'm not super rich to do it every day, but still, you can earn some points. Just give your email and name, and we're going to pick the winner live on stream. If you're not here, don't worry. We're going to tweet out the winner, and I'm going to send the email to you. Oh, yeah. I mean, doing well, Alicia. Good. Good. Sorry, guys. I'm still a little sleepy. During the weekdays, I do have these sleeping problems. I have to do something about that because I do have a sleeping problem. All right, look at gold, edging lower. NQ might push it to that point right there. I feel a little bit of FOMO because I saw this gap earlier, and this was also a bullish order block because it pushed lower. It took out a little bit of liquidity down there. So pushed lower, shifted higher, left a gap, price entered, and now this is trying to push it higher. So this could have been a move. All right. No, this is not it. No, this is, oh, this was the account with the gold trade. I entered Nasdaq long here. Maybe I shouldn't have. I entered a long on Nasdaq at 93.25, 186 is my stop loss. Hold on. All right. Okay. So I entered too long to maybe try to go higher, because this trade is still valid, although it's a very tight one. I'm only risking like 90 bucks, 95-ish on it. What the hell? I just lost connection to Apex. That is awesome. I'm gonna go back to Bewley. We just lost connection to Apex. Not surprised, right? Anyway, hopefully it will come back soon. TopSTEP is still connected. I don't know. Gold making lows. Don't like this. So where is the trade? This is it. So this is my trade. I just lost connection to Apex earlier. Maybe I will again. Very risky trade, but it's fine. I feel like I'm just giving back the profits from yesterday today, so anyway. Kim asking, do you work out? Unfortunately not started yet. I was, but I will. I will. I got 3 kittens now. Slept 3 hours. Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah. Did you got? Yeah, I'm trading with Take Profit Trader too. Visible ID. Yeah. I trade with them. My target is to build up that cushion. Of course, I still have to get the funded account. But to build up the cushion with them, to have those daily payouts, you know. If I would have a day with Take Profit Trader above $250, I would request a payout immediately. That's my goal. As soon as I do like $300, $250, whatever, because there's a penalty if you withdraw below 250. So I'm taking out those profits every single day. That's the goal with Take Profit Trader. Rhythmic is the problem. Yes, yes, I know, unfortunately. No, I feel comfortable trading with Rhythmic. Yeah. No, no, don't worry about. I mean, Naz. If someone is banning, it's gonna be me. I'm the one who's banning. I'm the one who's banning people. Gold is still going down. I don't know what is happening here. JR, good morning. Naz is a god. Cannot be banned. He created the ban. We like Naz. Naz is passionate about trading. We need people who are very passionate about trading. What's up, Hello Teacher FX? Marshall MMA44, hey there, welcome to the channel. How you doing? Told you, Tom. We go in and we win. That's how we do it, Gamecraft. Come on. The Mad Scalper, hey. Tom would never ban. I would never ban anyone. Okay, I banned a few people. I admit that. I did ban a few people recently. But that's it. Alles gut. All right. I don't know what's happening here, but Nasdaq just stopped again. Oh man, what a shame. Haters. That's a good reasoning. Let's just call them haters, but I don't care about that anymore. That 5-minute propulsion block was an A++ setup. It's not over yet, Cosmo, so it's far from over. Still checking on gold. I don't know. Eastream need a clown. Tom Sabo. It's not over yet, guys, so it's not over. In the trade, anything can happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen, so for some it's over. Oh yeah, they took W. All right, that's cool. That's awesome. If some of you guys took W, that's awesome. You know, I'm always trying to aim for that 1 to 2 risk to reward. Trying to keep it above 1.5. So that's what I'm trying to do. Could be going higher. We need if the micro is still driving, then we could be rebalancing the price above 205. So from that, it's just a stretch to go to 207, but we don't know. One thing is for sure, guys. I always say that, and I know I'm 100% right. You know. And drum roll, it's always, I mean, it's definitely going to go right. All right. Copy trading 6 accounts with 1 mini. Good job, Gamecraft. That's awesome. Let's go. Greg. But it's gonna go right. We all know that. It should be going right. It needs to go to the right. If it goes to the left, just, you know, always remember, if you see price go to the left, there is a glitch in the matrix. You know, there is a glitch, and you should be careful. You know, when you see that happening. Hello, Greg. So you know what they say, it's all just a video game. If you see it go left, stop trading. Yeah. If you see it go left, just stop it, you know. Come on. All right, I closed it. I don't care. F it. I don't care. It missed my TP with 1 tick. I hate that. So I closed it. That for me was a 1.7 R, whatever. So I don't care. It missed my TP. My TP was at 0725. The high of this candle was 07. So 1 tick. I don't care. Sue me. Sue me for it. So let me update the stats. Come on. You know, marketing reasons, so it will attract more people. 62%. There you go, we're killing it. Back to 62% win ratio. Done. Yeah, I hate that too. missed my TP with one single tick. And if I see that spiking into one tick, I close it. I mean, it's a discretionary thing for any of you guys, you know, to decide what to do. But I hate that, especially when I'm streaming and it does that to me. And look at that. Jesus Christ. Wow. I'm not entering gold. I'm not gonna enter. Look at this. Oh my god. I think I did the right thing there. That's a discretionary rule, guys. If it misses my TP with one effing tick, I'm just closing it manually. Or at least I'm trying to take partials. Like in this case. Whoa! Glocio Dominguez. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing. How do you pronounce it? Glocio Dominguez. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. You're still holding? Look at that. Look at this. Jesus. You're two holding. Yeah, look at that drop. Missed one tick and dropping back to where it, as they say, back to where it all started. No, back to where it all started. Yeah. We're back to where it all started. Finished number. You shorted 200. Nice. Look at this. Oh, wow. So just a small advice, people. if you miss your TP with one tick, do consider to at least take a partial profit or whatever, because this thing tends to happen. Anyway. When I saw that week, immediately I said, okay, this is gonna be a tricky one. J-Ho, good morning. Hola, bom dia. Bom dia. Hola. Hola is in, it's in Spanish, right? Bom dia is in Spanish. I don't know, guys. I'm sorry. All right. What's happening? Let's check on gold. I'm not going to go into gold trade. It just went down a lot. I don't see a clear target. I still like the idea to go for the order block. So look at this. It's still going. It's still valid, guys. It's still valid. It's still valid, technically. Did not go for the risk to reward too. I mean, if I would have held it, it could have been a clean one. I was trading micros anyway. I mean, I was risking like 90 bucks or 80 maybe. Portuguese. Sorry. Portuguese. Yes. Yes. Anyway. We're getting there. Ba-da-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Look at that. It's still going up. It's still going up. Let's see if the 207.25 is going to get hit. I'm long on NQ looking for 24. Sorry. 24. Not 204. 24. All right. You want to go up there. That's a good target. By the way, the buy side liquidity at 218 is still a good target. I think so. Look at that. If anyone is still holding the long positions, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed for you guys. Push the like button and subscribe. Okay, I'm not doing that anymore. That was stupid. That was lame. Even if I would be singing, that would be better. Gamecraft is still holding. Come on, Gamecraft. Let's go. Let's go, Gamecraft. I know you can do it. That buy side is good. I think we go above it to the fair value gap to get a little more. Yeah. Come on, Gamecraft. Let's go. Oh yeah, FX entropy. I mean, you don't. I mean, you're a big guy. You can handle it. You know. You can just add as many positions as you want, even if it goes against you up there. I know you can add positions. I know. Yeah, Naz, I will. I don't really trade the DOM, but never say never, you know. Levels, yeah. Yeah. One of us will make money. Oh yeah, there's a big fight going on between FX Entropy and Gamecraft trades. Although, who knows? Of course, I don't know what Gamecraft has, but I know that FX Entropy has ammunition to build up more and more positions if it would go higher. FX Entropy is DCAing. He's DCAing, guys. He's a DCA trader. That's for support down. I can easily see you killing me. This. Yeah, I do. No fight. Of course, no fight. We're all friends here. I'm short with conviction and will probably die with pride on this trade. I like the passion on both sides, so let's go. Just saying that at least one of us will make money. Or none of you will make money. Who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? You know. We love trading. Trading is good. Trading is healthy, keeps you calm, keeps you balanced. Right? It should. Or maybe it just should. Who knows? Who knows? Ouch. You bet. Don't know what happened with crypto these days, but my portfolio is bleeding. I don't know what's happening. Bitcoin is getting lower a little bit. It was about at 70k, right? Now it's at 65. I don't care about Bitcoin. I mean, I think big players are making bigger money in the stock market than in crypto nowadays. but I could be wrong. I don't know what's happening with the altcoin market. I don't really care. But as I said many times, I had my fair share in crypto, lost my ass. As they say in English, my ass got handed to me. Big time. So that was such a hard burn with crypto. I said, I know never say never, but I said never more. But, you know, who knows in the future, but I burned myself super hard. So no thank you. Let's see what is happening. Now you own 2 donkeys. Don't say it like that, Naz. That's not nice. Come on, 0725. Let's go. For me, it's only about the moral victory. Because I was saying 0725. So I'm just looking for a moral victory here. MicroTrader, good morning. Good morning. How's it going? Prasad, welcome. Hey there. Doing great. Had a loss on gold, then I had a win on NQ. Now I'm trying to figure out what this thing wants to do. There was a potential short here on gold, but for me, it's a little bit dangerous to just take it. But, you know, this could have been a possible short. Right here. Let's take out some lows. I think it's gonna go. Fair value gap and everything. You know how it is. Despicable Naspoke. Just a talking puppet, nothing else. I think Nas is gonna stream next week. You should look into charting and trading oil. It moves very nice. I was studying oil for a while, but it only good, I think, in the New York session. I think there. Come on, 207.25. No trade taken so far. No A+ setup for you. I'm short biased. Well, it could go down. I mean, if it fails to take out these levels, look at these candles to the left, then it can definitely. But I don't know. Let's go. So this was an optimal trade entry on gold. I'm gonna be studying that level. I didn't ban you. Borisol, you're not banned, you're here. And technically it's impossible to ban someone. It's not possible to ban somebody. Maybe it was something else. I don't know. Oh, there you go. 07. But I can still see you. I don't know. We took the 0725. So original TP hit. But so I don't know. I banned I didn't ban anyone. There was timeouts and I don't even know. I have to check it. Or hide from the chat or something. Anyway, I never used that before. But last time there was a few people here and I hide them from the chat. Maybe that's what it is. Look at that. It's going up to up to 07 to 18. Gamecraft out. Nice. Nice. 1,200 bucks in total. Congratulations, Gamecraft. Good trade. Good trade. So the question is, where we go from here? Where we go from here? Should be going for the 218.75. I think so. This was a good move. Took us how long? 35. Yeah, for an hour to go through on this barcode chart. This is still actually a valid short on gold, which I'm not in. Yeah, now it's FX and trophies time. So maybe both of you guys will win. Who knows? Now dump for FX and trophy. Come on. Dump it. Could take Asia high out. Yeah, could be, but even if it takes it out, there could be a good turning point to finally dump and bring that liquidity down there. Look at this. I didn't want to take extra risk, but this gold trade should have been nice. I did not take it, but you know. Let's see. Let's see. Thanks for the support, guys. But unless you short as a contract, there is not much you can do. Okay, FX entropy. I don't do this you know, just for anyone, but I'm gonna make the call. All right, I'm just gonna make the call. All right, it's gonna be super fast. Yeah, London. Hey there. Yeah. So you were watching, all right. So listen, you know what to do. Yeah, there's the guy. Yeah, I know. There's this guy. I promised him. So just let it go. All right. Push it lower. All right. Yeah, don't make me, you know, fly there with my private jet. All right. Yeah. Get it done. That's not what I'm seeing right now. So please, yeah, talk to the guys. Get it done. Thanks. Everything's fine. It has been taken care of. Only in God mode. Yeah, I'm getting on this issue. I'm getting on this. 7,001 contracts to be sure. Hopefully they will do it. Love it. All right. If the 4 are close above. So it's going down now. Yeah. Ginzo, you're out. Nice. Hope you made some profits. I hope you were in a long position there. Yeah, I called them, and they said they still need to sweep some liquidity, but they promised me they will do what they can to dump it, because yeah. Do we get new high of day? Good question. We're already there as a new high for the current day, but for yesterday, I don't know. The thing is, I also think that the 218 is just so close. It could be just wicking it out and then, you know, going back down. I look at timestamp now and I see only buyers mainly. Yeah, I asked for it, and they said they're gonna help us out, but they have some unfinished business up here. That's what they said. They have still some unfinished business, but they agreed that they need to push it lower. So I said, all right, just get it done as fast as possible. And look at this. Oh my God, this gold trade should have been fine, and I did not take it. At least the analysis was correct. I mean, it's still not a TP, but it's going higher. Dang it. I don't know why. Boom. J-Ho goes long and market rips. Guys, J-Ho is just, I don't know what he does, but he's killing the market. I don't know how and why and what the hell. He's just doing it. He's just doing it. He's getting better and better. Okay, I would expect gold for one more spike down there to take some liquidity in this 5-minute gap, or maybe even lower. So gold, I expect you to do that. Added 2 more cons, stop at 220. You have the balls to have a stop at 220. If I would be adding contracts here, I would have my stop somewhere at 232, 230 maybe. But you know, depending on how much you're risking overall, but let's crash it. Let's crash it. Come on. Let's go. Come on, gold. At least give me the moral victory. I didn't take this trade, but I want to see it go there. Okay, there you go. So this trade would have been a win, and I didn't take it. It was a risk to reward ratio of 2. And I just didn't take it because I'm a chicken. I was a chicken not to enter into this trade. Right at optimal trade entry. Well, almost. Still. I was a chicken on gold. Could have made a good profit. Average 205. You're still good then. That's not that bad. Average 205 is good. Alicia, I'm trying hard to continue to follow the trend because I know we are in a bubble. My pup. Oh yeah. Sup, Ham? Hey, welcome. Good to see you. What is the best indicator? Hard to tell. So far, if we're talking about indicators, I always liked the moving averages. I know it's an old classic, but at least they help me to figure out where could be possible support and when price is congesting or when we are in a real trending move. So, and it helped me to determine the bias as well. So I like moving averages. This is the VWAP. I never really use the VWAP. I don't trade by the VWAP. I mean, strategically, I see it, I acknowledge it, and cool and everything, but it's not part of my entry. It's just good to see it there. That's all. VWAP is good. The VWAP is like, if you're day trading, that's definitely something to watch for. Because, you know, basically everybody who day trades is watching the VWAP. Made profit on PA. Nice. Trying to pass 3 more account. Come on, let's go, Ginzo. That's how you do it. How do you know we are in a bubble? Personally, I believe a correction of at least 10% is 10% correction. So we can go down to around 18,000. It's in the cards. That would be a nice correction. Isham, good morning. Yeah, VWAP is easy to have. Yeah, there's basically market structure. Market structure is what you have to be aware of, right? So if you know market structure, then you don't even need indicators after a time, I think. If you see the levels, if you see market structure, you don't have to go all the way to the weekly and the monthly time frame. But if you're day trading on the 5-minute or the 15-minute, going with the 4-hour and the daily time frame maximum should be more than enough to determine your bias maybe and some major levels. But, you know, just basic market structure. For me, I think for intraday trading, the 1-hour market structure is a very good guidance. But it's different for everyone. $8 to 10% is possible. Yeah, 8 to 10% correction for Nasdaq, and that would be only a correction. It's in the cards. Yeah, it could be possible. It's very well possible. Can you put in the 15-minute? Yeah, sure. This is the 15-minute Nasdaq. I'm gonna zoom it out a little bit. 15-minute Nasdaq. The 218 level is pretty close. You did catch the long? Huh. Just don't ever try to predict the top. It burned me. Oh yeah. Wonder the market is skyrocketing after Saudi has ditched dollar. Oh yeah, that is that's gonna be interesting. You know, they're trying to do their own petrodollar. As far as I was reading the articles, the OPEC people are trying to get rid of the US dollar. So that's going to put the US economy in a little bit of a stress. I don't know. That's what they wrote. Could be interesting. We should get a high. Yeah. No, Didi. It's too close. And we are in London. Yeah, the problem is that we're very close. So I'm not entering because there's no range. Joe Hertz, hey. Can you show that long setup on NQ? I was a bit late today. Sure, absolutely. It was on the 5-minute time frame. Don't react too heavily to that. Yeah. Yeah, Alicia. So it was based on the 5-minute time frame, this morning's short. I'm not trading the 1 minute for a while, I decided. So we saw this level at 218 as a possible buy side target. And before that, if you look to the left, if you go to the 15-minute and the 1 hour, this is a bearish order block, just saying. So that gave me earlier a little bit of a bullish bias, if we can say that. So first, I didn't take the trade. First, I was a little bit skeptical. So I'll zoom it out for you. I saw the market structure shift from the 2:20 a.m. candle on the 5-minute, shifted structure. And below that, it has left a gap. It's not that accurate right now, but it has left a small gap. Also, one tick liquidity void. And if you put the fib tool here, and it was right on the VWAP, which I don't really care about too much, but it's just an interesting cherry on the top. And if you put the fib tool there, the 61.8 optimal trade entry is right inside. Oh, thank you, Marian. Marian Catalin Sorokianu. Sorry if I mispronounced it. I was just going to say, Marian, thank you for joining the stream and the channel. So went down to optimal trade entry. Stop loss was below here, a few ticks below the swing low of this 5-minute. So first I let it go when it was here. I said, no. But then I decided to re-enter. So where was it? Right here. So this is Quant Tower. So this was the gap. Sorry. And as you see, I waited for quite long time. And I saw that it actually created some kind of a support. It was risky to enter here, by the way. The best entry would have been here. But I was waiting for at least 25 minutes or something like that when I entered. And then I entered It almost took my TP with one tick, but then I closed it manually, so it was okay. But that was the idea behind this trade. My bias was long because of these levels, and that's it. But earlier I took a loss on gold. I wanted to go long here, which I did. I did go long somewhere here, and then I lost it. And this second opportunity, I missed it. I missed this trade on gold. Anyway, don't really trade on gold, but you're welcome, George. Yeah, it's a slow market. It's a slow movement right now. So by the way, ladies and gentlemen, guys and girls, there's a giveaway link up there in the pinned message if you would like to participate. It's going to be a 50K evaluation account. Just fill out your email and name, and we're going to pick the winner live on stream next week on Monday or Tuesday. I don't have all that money to do it every day, but try to do one every week if I can. And if you're not here live stream, don't worry. I'm going to tweet out the name and send you an email. Okay? So check it out. You can earn points. It's an online application for giveaways. It's a website. It's a third-party website. You can earn points for visiting websites, retweeting my latest video about MyFunded Futures. So stuff like that. You don't need to. You can just increase your chance. That's it. Gold has made the 5-point move down. Now we'll start bullish. Market maker model of 40 points. If that's a question, I don't know the answer. The problem is the lower we get during the day on gold, the lower the probabilities, for example, to go short. And I would not go long until I don't see a structure forming. So, for example, if I want to go long on gold, I want to see some kind of a structure building up here. And then I will consider to go long. But without a structure, I'm not going to go long. And at this point, I'm not going to go short. Although the sell side here on gold is very tempting. It's definitely very tempting on the 5-minute that it should drop a little bit more, at least to take that out. But I'm not going to jump in. The risk to reward is off. This was, let's just say okay-ish. This would have been the last trade I would take to a short. I didn't take it because, again, I'm a chicken. But that's it. My average entry acting as support. Come on, sellers. I made the call. What can I do? Fingers crossed. FX and Trophy. Fingers crossed. Also, if you would like to trade futures or you would like to support my channel, please use my codes and links if you would like to purchase some of these accounts. I have some good discounts going on. Without the help of you guys, I could not be able to stream here every day. So that makes me able to be here full time because I'm not a pro trader. I don't have my Lambo in the background yet, although it's not going to be a Lambo. But I have a 20-year-old Mazda. I can put it somewhere. But, you know, that's it. Thanks, guys. What is happening? Is it going to go down? Is it going to go down? Come on. Come on. For FX and Trophy, I want to see this drop. I'm flat currently, but you know, anything can happen. All right, no setup yet. No setup. I don't even know if I would be jumping into a short maybe, but still on NQ I would like to see a structure and then shifting down lower. That would be nicer. Otherwise I'm not really interested. It would help me more if you let Nas going long. I can't. I can't say anything about that. I can't do it. I just can't. So, what is happening? Big G, Asia high swept. Almost, yeah. Asia high swept, but too close before we go short. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. Classic 1 minute market structure shift where they can do a leg up. 1 minute market structure shift. Maybe. A little grain of salt. Let's see. But right now it's a decision point for Nasdaq, I think. It's a decision point. Should have taken that gold trade. I feel some FOMO about that, but I wanted to show you guys how good of a trader I am with gold, but I failed. There's a fair value gap 207. There is. The thing is that this is no structure shift. So yes, there is a fair value gap here. That's true. But structure is not shifted because, you know, I would like to see structure shift here. I don't know, or maybe down here. But it was not a clean shift. So it got repriced. If I look at the 15-minute, still nothing crazy going on. And look at that, gold is looking to take out that level here on the 5-minute, this swing low. Getting closer. Nasdaq may try to take out that high there, which is technically, I'm not saying it's an Asia high, but it like almost it is. So 4 points away. There, almost there. There was no entry here to take another long, but Yeah, it's risky to go short. I mean, I don't have a setup here. That's why I'm just waiting. Actually, this move was okay. It wasn't an A++ setup here to go long, but it turned out good. It formed a swing low here, but even if this would break structure below 201, it would be risky to go short, I think. That would be risky, but still. Gold is going lower. Sorel. I don't know. I heard about that too, but for now they're only saying that affiliates are invite only. I don't know more about that. Someone said that there are gonna be some criteria, or they're gonna be refurbishing the whole affiliate system. So I know Michael Patek only tweeted that quote, I quote him, he said, "We are sunsetting the affiliate program." I think they don't really need affiliates anymore, in my personal opinion. I mean, I'm an affiliate with them and I'm very grateful because sometimes it gives me a little bit commission, and I'm grateful for you guys who are using my link. So I'm very grateful, first of all, to you guys. If you purchase a TopStep account, it gives me commission. But otherwise, I think TopStep is having such a big viewer base on TopStep TV that I don't think they really need people on YouTube with low numbers. Like, for example, me, I'm a nobody in terms of viewership and YouTube channel. You know, I think they're looking for maybe affiliates who has like, you know, 1,000 viewers or more, whatever. But they have TopStep TV, so TopStep TV is more than enough for them, I think. Why would they pay out small streamers if they have their own social media coverage, right? So yes, exactly, Sorrel. They have TopStep TV. They can just say, bye affiliates, we don't need you guys anymore, because, you know, some people were only not even streaming, just putting on some videos or maybe a blog or whatever, and they have an affiliate link. Some other people are streaming just like I am. Some streamers has 10 viewers, some streamers has 1,000 viewers, but they have TopStep TV. I think that's the main decision in the background. Why do we pay out all these quote-unquote small people, little people, if we can do the same numbers on TopStep TV, right? So it's a business decision, I think. But all they said is that it's right now invite only, which means they might be looking for affiliates, but I'm guessing with a bigger following, bigger influencers, whatever. I don't know. Joseph is asking if I have a big gap on Nasdaq or Dow. Which time frame? Melyik idősíkon? Én a September contract. Lehet, hogy te a minim vagy. Én meg a micron. Because I'm on the micro, you might be having some on the mini. Let me check the mini for you. I don't know. Micron vagy. I don't see any big gap. Nothing. Most of big streamers success because they promise unrealistic results like 10K a day. So I should promise 10K a day. I should promise. Nincs gyertya. Mit nézel? Trading View-t vagy Quant Hour-t? Frissítsd a chartodat. I'm just saying to Joseph to update the chart. You click on the right and refresh or reload history. You know, just do that, and maybe it's gonna. It should be filling that. Look at that. We're going above the 218 right now at 290. 19. Oh, negative 700. Come on, man. You'll make it back. I know you'll make it back. Same gap. Mit használsz? Ninja Tradert vagy Quant Hour-t? Nem tudom. Nem tudom miért van ott gap neked. Let me check. What the hell? Oh, okay. Azért, mert automatikusan átment a régi kontraktusról az újra átment, és ott egy óriási differencia van. Mindjárt megnézem. Yeah. So the old contract... No, it's not that. I don't know what this is. You should be updating... No, that's not it. You should be updating the charts. Refresh or whatever, or restart Quant Hour. This is definitely something, or one day is missing or something. I don't know. Or close the chart, open a brand new one, or refresh. There is some update issue there. That should be working out. Yeah, definitely. Look at that, we're going up. You have a big gap on NQ2. Could be because of the rollover, but I don't know. I like how price create low resistance liquidity. Boom! 225 just hit, as I called. Yeah, J-Ho called it, by the way. J-Ho called it. Shorting this close, the buy side. J-Ho, by the way, I don't know what you're doing, man, but guys, J-Ho is killing it since I don't even know when. Since a long time. All I see him is just win, win, win. I have the same gap. Oh, on TradingView. I don't know what is that. It could be because of the update. What's the price on the old contract? Let me check it. What's the price on the old contract? Futures, NQ. Let's see the old contract. Could be that, right? Or no? I think it's because you guys are using the automatic rollover or something like that, and you just got pushed up to, so you were watching the old contract, and the broker just inserted you guys, I mean, it inserted the new contract, which is much higher. So that's why you have, it's because of the contract rollover. That's the only reason. If you, what you can do is open up the charts and, you know, let me put this away. And, you know, for example, Apex, go down to CME, open the MNQ and select MNQ U4. This is what you should select. So MNQ U4. You should be perfectly fine. It should be displaying as normal. Because you might be in the front month for MNQ, and that is going to just, you know, cut it together. The two charts are going to be welded together. I don't know how to say it. So just choose the U4. Could be all right. It will be welded together. Nice going, Tom. All right. Yeah. Tony Chan. Yeah, I only have the multiple connection thing. So, by the way, if you register to Quant Tower, you get 1 week for free. So you get the multiple connection extra as well. So you can test out everything. But yeah, I think it's $30 a month. Something like that. $30, yeah. But you can, this way you can copy trade between multiple prop firms. It's a built-in function. It's very good. It's very good. Okay, gold just took out this sell side liquidity. Sorry. Now I feel even more FOMO because I didn't go into this trade. Or 25, I don't know, I have to check. Quant Tower multiple, the add-on, which is the multiple connection. Check. You go to yeah, so you go to Quant Tower and you buy advanced features. Here it is, $30. Multiple synchro connect. That's the one. So multiple, that you don't have to buy the whole thing for $70. You can apply for the advanced features separately. That's $30. So you can copy trade between multiple prop firms. I'm paying monthly. I should be paying yearly, but I didn't change my payment plan because a few months ago when I started with Quant Tower, I said, okay, let's try it. So I went for the monthly plan. So I just left it like that. But I should be changing it to yearly. It's definitely it's cheaper. I left it. You can try it out also. I think there's a 1 week trial period if you register. But by the way, if you just copy trading at the same prop firm, it's free. So you can use the copy trader for free. You don't have to pay anything if you just copy trade with the same prop firm. It's built in. You have to go, you go to the website, you go to buy pro features apart. Tony Chan, just find this. Pay for the required features only. Buy pro features apart. You go into this and you go down to advanced features. That's $30 only. That's what you need to do. Yeah, Quant Tower is good, but you know, Rhythmic is It has, I think. Although I don't use ADM strategies, but it has. Yes, it has, of course. Yeah. Yeah. Tempted for a short. The problem is, guys, I have an appointment a little bit later. So as much as I would like to enter into a short, I don't know if we're going to get a structure to form here. No confirmation, yeah. So anyway, okay. Guys, I love you all. Thank you for all the support. I have an appointment to be at, so I'm going to cut it here and be back for the New York session, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We had some good trades. Even the one I lost, it was good. So it was an exciting session. I like that. And hope you guys will come back in the New York session as well. Let's make some good trades. Let's make some good analysis. Please subscribe, push the like button, and if you would like to support, take any of these prop firms with my code and link. That really helps me out and gets me to be here every day full time. All right. Thank you so much for considering, and you guys are awesome. Love you all. Be back in the New York session. All right. Cheers, everybody. Be safe. Have a good morning, evening, night. See you later.